Every day, stores, jewelry shops, and even ATMs become targets of quick and ruthless criminals, from shattered glass to abandoned getaway vehicles. These heists take only seconds, but leave behind lasting damage. From the Netherlands to the US, no place is truly safe. These are some of the boldest, most brazen robberies ever caught on camera. With one burning question: will they get away with it, or will justice catch up? Littlefield, Arizona, February 11th, 2024. A quiet night shattered by the sound of steel and engines. An ATM robbery in this small Arizona town unfolded like something straight out of a movie. The suspects executed their plan with precision, dragging the entire machine away under the cover of darkness. But by the time authorities located the abandoned truck and the empty ATM, the cash was long gone. The thieves had vanished, leaving behind only broken metal and unanswered questions. The suspects remain unidentified. The trail? Ice cold. Buenos Aires, Argentina. What started as a once-in-a-lifetime journey nearly turned into a nightmare. Canadian travelers Mike Graziano and Alexander Hennessy were on a mission to visit every country in the world. But while biking through a rough neighborhood in Buenos Aires, they got more adventure than they bargained for.
I don't know what you're saying, man. I don't know what you're saying, man. Amigo. Amigo. On the bike? Amigo. 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 Okay, I gotta give it to him. Amigo. 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 Amigo.
Sácatela.
Amigo.
Sácatela.
No, amigo, no.
Bueno, anda.
No.
Sácatela.
Out of nowhere, a motorcyclist cut off Alexander's path. At first, it just seemed like bad driving. But before he could process what was happening, the biker circled back, this time waving a gun and shouting in Spanish. The entire terrifying encounter was caught on Alexander's helmet-mounted GoPro.
I've got that entire thing on my GoPro right now. Yeah.
Capturing every heart-pounding second. Despite the danger, the pair managed to stay calm, and unbelievably, both walked away without a scratch. Fontana, California, August 5th, 2023. It only took seconds for everything to be ripped away. In broad daylight, at a local business in Fontana, California, thieves stormed in and robbed hardworking people of their livelihood. Fast, ruthless, and without a second thought. The owners are left picking up the pieces, but they're not giving up. A reward is now being offered for any information that leads to an arrest. If you recognize the suspects or know anything about this case, contact Fontana Police Department at 909-350-7700. London, England, October 2nd, 2017. In just a matter of seconds, an ordinary day turned into a moment of shock and frustration.
Oi! Oi! Come here! Stay down!
While walking the streets of London, a woman had her phone snatched right out of her hands. The thief, quick and calculated, sped off on his bike before anyone could stop him. It's the kind of crime that leaves you feeling powerless. But even though the thief got away, the witness didn't let it slide. They quickly reported the incident to the authorities, even handing over the suspect's bike as evidence, hoping it's enough to track the culprit down and bring some justice to the victim. Walnut Creek, California, April 27th, 2017. What started as an ordinary day at a watch store quickly spiraled into a terrifying scene. Two men, dressed as construction workers, walked in, the perfect disguise for a casual entrance. One distracted the clerk with a form, while the other waited silently in the background. But within moments, the setup revealed itself. Mace was sprayed directly into the clerk's face, and before he could recover, the second man pulled a bat hidden in his pants and smashed through the glass cases, grabbing for the high-end watches. Blinded but thinking fast, the store owner grabbed the phone, dialed 911, and reached for his firearm as the second suspect circled back for more. The sight of the gun was enough. Both men dropped the loot and fled the scene empty-handed. No shots were fired, but the situation could have ended much differently. Emmen, Netherlands, April 29, 2019. It sounds like something straight out of a movie. In the quiet town of Emmen, a group of men launched a high-stakes break-in at a jewelry store. And their approach was anything but ordinary. These thieves didn't smash a window or pick a lock. No, they went full action movie mode, using a rope ladder to drop in from the ceiling like seasoned pros. Once inside, the real chaos began. They smashed through the locks on multiple display cases, grabbing as much jewelry as they could, stuffing their bags with sparkling loot. A well-planned, lightning-fast heist, and all caught on camera. This daring break-in is a reminder. No matter how secure a place might seem, determined thieves will always look for a way in. Brooklyn, New York, July 26, 2024. This delivery had an unexpected twist. Right after an Amazon package was dropped off at the doorstep, a man swooped in and snatched it away, thinking he'd just pulled off the perfect porch pirate move. But what he didn't count on, a group of sharp-eyed kids who witnessed the whole thing happening right in front of them. Without hesitation, these young heroes chased after the thief, tracking him down and making sure the package found its way back to its rightful owner.
Hi, someone literally just stole your package like 2 minutes ago. Oh, snap. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I appreciate that. Thank y'all. Have a good day.
You too.
You too.
Another day, another failed attempt at a life of crime. Caught on camera, a pair of wannabe thieves who clearly didn't do their homework. Their master plan? Ram the door with a car, then try to make a quick getaway. The only problem? Once inside, they spent way too long desperately pulling on a locked door that clearly said, push. Not exactly criminal masterminds. Meanwhile, the employee on shift had made the classic mistake of leaving strangers inside at 5:45 a.m. while stepping away from the booth. Luckily, the damage stops there. The police now have fingerprints and a license plate on file, and hopefully the owner can recover some of the $3,000 it cost to repair the door after the ramming stunt. Just another reminder, sometimes the world's best security is the criminal's own lack of common sense. Brampton, Ontario, Canada, December 8th, 2023. Another day, another daring smash and grab. This was the 6th or 7th robbery at the same jewelry store, White Carrot Company, diamonds, and once again, the thieves struck fast and got away clean. Despite the store being hit multiple times in recent months, security has only managed to catch a suspect once. It's a frustrating pattern for locals and employees alike, break-ins, shattered glass, and stolen valuables, while the robbers disappear long before anyone can react. For the staff, it's become an all too familiar sight. Another reminder of how bold and frequent these crimes have become. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any of our future content.